So today we're going to be learning DAI DAI, and it looks like this. Without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and today we're going to be learning DAI DAI by Shakira and Burna. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirror. So our first move, you cross your hands and then you pull out, yeah? And then when you cross your hands and you pull out, you're gonna try and do a mini jump, yeah? Did you get it? Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go, 1. Get it? So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna throw your right hand, and then you're gonna kick with your left hand. Did you get it? So it's gonna be ta 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 ta. Did you get it? Pretty simple, yeah? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, ta ta ta. You can always do the kick with your knee, or if you want, you can do it with your hand, or you can do it just the hand. Got it? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, ta, 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 da, da. Did you get it? So the moment we do our throw, then you're gonna go 1, 2. Perfect. Let's try it. 5, 6 from the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? This is our first step, yeah? So now we're going to our second step. Our second step, the first move is going to be try and look on your right. And then your hands are gonna go out, and then they're gonna go in. They're gonna go out, and they in, out, in, out. This is the upper body and the hands movement, yeah? Like that, yeah? And then your leg is going to step, step, step. So you're leaning on this side. So when you lean this side, like that, yeah? So when you do the move, the upper body, the hands, and the right leg is gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? Try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get it? So our fourth move is going to be a clap, yeah? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, clap. And then you move on to the right, to the left. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, tap. You go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, tap. You go 1, 2, 3, tap. And then now we're gonna try and mix the first step and the second step. We're gonna do it slowly in 5, 6, 7, 8. Bam 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 bam. Hey, bam bam bam. You got it? Pretty simple, yeah. And then we try and do it fast in 5, 6, 7, 8. Feel it. Ta 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 ta. 1, 2, 3. You go 1, 2, 3. All right. Now we're gonna go to step 3. Step 3 is going to be a step. So you're gonna use your leg, your right leg. You're gonna do this, but you're gonna step with your left leg. So when your left leg steps, your right knee goes out. Yeah. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not in exchange, but you're going forward. So step left, step right, knee out, step left, step right, knee out. When you're facing this side, it looks like this. There, 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 there. So that's how the move is. So it's left, right, left, 8 times. And then our hand movement and our body movement is gonna be chest. you're gonna put your chest inside like that, yeah, and then your hands are gonna change. So when you are moving with your left, your right hand is gonna go forward. So it's gonna go 1, and then your knee, don't forget the knee, and then there, and then don't forget the chest as well. 8 times. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's try it slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta 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 ta. Perfect. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Now we're gonna try the first step, the second step, and the third step together in 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's try it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. And then our fourth step is going to be you're gonna cross your hands. You're gonna step with your right, and then step with your left, and then do a body wave, and then snap there with your head, and then come back with the body wave. It's pretty simple, yeah. Step with your right, step with your left, body wave, snap, and then come back, yeah. So with your hands, you're gonna go or cross, wave, hit. You get it? And then your last move is going to be step in, and then you're gonna move with your right. You're gonna move this side. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where it ends. And then with your hands, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? Let's try it one more time. So you're gonna go ka ka ta, and then you come back there, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ta 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 ta. Go ta 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 ta. Right? Let's try it from step 3 and step 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Da 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 da. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna move to step 4 on 8. So this is 8. So you do this 7 times. Yeah? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There, and then you move. Get it? Let's try step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ka ta 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 Let's try it with the actual pace in 5, 6, 7, 8. All right now we're gonna try and do it with the song. Let's go. Anyways, if you watched the video until this end, thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, My PayPal is in the description. Every donation is much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Also, I wanted to show you the weather outside. It's beautiful, bro. Can't go outside, but this is how the weather looks. Yeah. Anyways, peace.